Okay.
We did it pretty quick.
Yeah. There we go.
So Monday, that it's just after the dentist, really. So I did on last Monday off, but then I was like, I'm still gonna go do my workout, which was an arm workout. And so this side of my neck I tweaked and like couldn't move my neck very well. So it feels a lot better today. Yeah. For sure.
So you didn't get any headache though, so that's good.
I didn't get any headaches, no. It was just like
tension right here.
Couldn't turn my neck. Yeah, there was one night where I couldn't even sleep. It was like hurting my arm. Like my whole arm was sore, and I was like
sore and tingling, or
yeah, a little bit.
Look down to your chest, back down. Chin press down again. Okay, relax. Oh, in here. Look down to your chest. Hold and turn to your left shoulder. Back in the middle. Now look down to your chest, okay? Hold and turn to your right. Face down.
That was a big one.
And there you go. Two. So you see one is shift to the left, and then you see two is shift to the right. So it's kind of like a twist. Okay. Look down to your chest. Hold and turn to your right shoulder. Okay, that's better.
So much
Face
better.
down. You can feel that you can turn way better, right?
Yeah.
Still not clear yet. Okay, look down a little bit. There you go. Okay, look down to your chest. Hold and turn to your right shoulder. Perfect. All right, face down. That's good. Shrug both your shoulders up, down. Look up to the left corner. Look down to your left shoulder. Face down. Look down to your right shoulder. Up to the right corner. Face down. Up and down, different direction. Okay, drop. There you go. Look down to your left shoulder again. There you go. And face down. Turn to your right side. Press your ear down. Turn to your left side. Press your ear down. Face down. Turn to your left side again. Press the ear down, face down. And now let me check your jaw. Now try to do your best, just your jaw. Don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Just do it as much as you can. You don't have to like completely wide open, but just the moment you think about it, it's ready to trigger the change. So open wide again. There we go. Bite together. Relax. Lower jaw. Press down to the table. Relax. Now curl your tongue and try to touch the back of your throat. And relax. Now lower jaw to the left side, right side, and relax. Everything positive need to fix. Front every joint that I check on you. While you're fitting him, you cannot just. Of course. Open, close. Open, close. There you go. Yes, you know exactly what you need to do. And no smile. There you go. Turn this side. Open, close. Open, close, better. Feel smoother?
Yeah.
Okay, the other side.
One time we got a massage and the man was like, I was like, oh, I'm ticklish today. And he was like, no, that just means you're tight. And he refused to stop doing it. It was so painful.
Okay, so he's meaner than me then.
He was so mean.
Yeah, I was like, dude, so quick, just a second.
Oh no, you're not. I don't think you're mean. I think
Yeah.
I'm just like,
Yeah, he's the
it's
one.
my fault. I know it's all my fault.
Okay, breathe in and down. There we go. Okay, and the pubic bone. There we go. See if you can feel your left side, right side.
Right side
Right.
feels way worse.
Yep, right side's way tender. This spot here. Hold it. And that's it. Okay, face now again. Double check. Okay.
All messed up today.
Maybe the same like you run a marathon.
That neck,
Or
I
hiking.
haven't had my neck tweak like that in a really long time.
Knee press down. Relax. Oh, that's better. This side down. Okay. Together. Relax. Knee press down again. Okay. That's better. Better, but it's not clearly clearing, so you have to really stretch.
63 times. And then I'm
Okay,
gonna cut back
let's
and
get you up.
Yeah.